The way that I look at this is I like to give it break even in a day. In a 24-hour period, I like to give it my break even point. So if I'm selling a $40 product and I know if I spend $20 on that, then I broke even, then I want to give my ad at least $20 that day. And the reason for that is because like it could spend $10 and make a sale and I will have made $10 in profit, right? But then if it starts to go above that and I turn it off, then I could have, let's say I spend 15, I could have just lost $15. But if I waited until it spent $17, then I could have made $3. So I like to at least, I'll even occasionally maybe even let some ads actually lose a little bit of money just to see if a sale will kick in. But definitely like testing at the beginning, I like to let it go to the break even point. So let's say at $20, that's my break even. If I start spending above that without a sale, I start to lose money. So I'll try and give each ad set $20 and I'll let it spend that full $20 before I turn it off. Hopefully before then, hopefully within like a few bucks, $5, $10, a sale has happened. But if it hasn't, I'm still going to wait. I'm going to give it the full 20 because if a sale can happen, even up till there, I've at least made my money back. And that whole time, Facebook's gathering data and getting smarter.